This is another teacher resource that I like to use in the classroom. It is an online stopwatch or timers, and I just really like this because it is something, it can always be different, and the kids really enjoy seeing which countdown we're going to use for that day. They do have some very interesting ones that you can use. They have emoji races, they have regular races, just all sorts of different timers that you can use. One thing that I have noticed though is that if it's something they're working on that you really need them to be focusing on, you have to be careful about the kind of timer that you use, because they will just sit there and watch it, and you're going to have kids that sit there and watch it no matter what. But if it's something pretty important, I would say use one that you have already used, so they're not just sitting here thinking about, ooh, who's going to win the race, or who's going to win this, or how is the timer going to end, or things like that. And so usually if it's something pretty important that I am timing them for, I will use some of these top ones, just because they're things that they already have seen and they're not as much fun to watch.